Now, the specification number 2 outlines the key characteristics used to classify organisms within the animal kingdom. It focuses on two main categories: the primary groups of vertebrates, which include mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, and the major groups of arthropods, comprising myriapods, insects, arachnids, and crustaceans. These features serve as the basis for grouping and understanding the diversity of animal life. In the kingdom Animalia, organisms are grouped based on distinct features, with a focus on vertebrates and arthropods. Vertebrates include mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, each with unique adaptations like warm or cold-bloodedness, fur, feathers, scales, or gills. While the arthropods, all invertebrates, are classified into myriapods, crustaceans, arachnids, and insects, each characterized by features such as segmented bodies, exoskeletons, jointed legs, and differing numbers of limbs. We will focus on a section of this specification that covers Part A, the main groups of vertebrates that are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Vertebrates, a broad category of animals with backbones, are divided into 5 primary classes, and each of these classes has specific adaptations that help them thrive in various environments. Mammals are warm-blooded and have fur or hair, along with mammary glands for nursing the young. Birds, also warm-blooded, are characterized by feathers, wings, and beaks. Reptiles are cold-blooded and have scales, while amphibians, which are also cold-blooded, can live both on land and in water and undergo metamorphosis during their life cycle. Fish, the most aquatic of the vertebrates, are cold-blooded, possess gills for breathing, and use fins to swim. These adaptations underscore the remarkable diversity within the vertebrate group. Let's begin by understanding what vertebrates are. Vertebrates are animals characterized by the presence of a vertebral column, commonly referred to as the spine. This column is made up of a series of cylindrical bones called vertebrae. Each vertebra has a bony arch on its upper, dorsal, side, which serves to protect the spinal cord running through the column. At the front end, the spinal cord expands to form the brain, which is safeguarded within the skull. Additionally, vertebrates possess jaws, usually equipped with rows of teeth. Also, let's explore the differences between cold-blooded and warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals, such as fish, amphibians, and reptiles, have body temperatures that vary depending on their environment. This means that their activity can be affected by temperature changes in their surroundings. In contrast, warm-blooded animals, like mammals and birds, have the ability to maintain a relatively constant body temperature that is regulated internally, regardless of external temperature fluctuations. This internal regulation allows warm-blooded animals to remain active even when environmental temperatures change, giving them an advantage in diverse conditions.